This is Obsuna. Obsessions. What's up? Well, it has been forever since we had the last vlog. Well, today I'll be going to the Dogwood Fest. Punta tayo ng Dogwood Fest. Dito lang yun sa may downtown. So talagang yearly pinupuntahan talaga namin siya dito. But today is extra special kasi buo kami as a family. Wala yun, nako-call off lagi. So might as well, gumala na lang. So malapit lang yun sa amin, mga 5 minutes drive lang. So I am going to show you my way now. And mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo yung doggo. Camera, flip! Psh! Galino camera ko. Yeah. Dito ako ngayon sa may gitna ng downtown. Close road siya. So, babaybayin natin hanggang dun sa dulo. Tapos, daming mga local na businesses dito. Marami. And then, dito sa kabila yung mga restaurant. I'm so excited. Ipapakita ko sila sa inyo ngayon na. Hello. These are the upcoming events?
Yeah, so that's all the things that I have coming up for you guys in Fayetteville. 30
Oh, wow.
minutes away from your home max.
Correct.
We're not going an hour. We're not going
Correct.
2 hours away.
Correct. I'm gonna get this one.
Thank you.
Just wanted to know about this one. Is this personalized? Oh, okay. If we wanted to get it personalized and have it ordered, do you accept it or no?
Place it so you can kind of like, I always have to give you my information.
Yeah.
You tell me what you
Yes,
want,
correct.
And then I'll ship it to you, or if you live locally.
Yeah,
then
huh?
I'll have to meet up somewhere and give you the.
Usually talaga sineselebrate to, isa siyang magandang paandar ng lugar namin dito sa North Carolina. So people are coming in here even outside of Fayetteville just to be here. Ang daming paandar. Again, Dogwood Fest. Follow nyo lang yung Instagram nila, yung social media nila. And yun. Dito may mga food trucks pero hindi pa dito yung pinaka sinasabi kong kainan. Flip natin yung camera. So ngayon, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa alley kung saan puro pagkain. Favorite ko to. Favorite nyo rin ba? Halika na. Let's go. Feeling ko may say hello to my vlog. Estudyante ka? Ayun, so eto talaga yung favorite ko talaga na place. Dito mo makikita lahat ng mga legit na American food. Well, usually ang binibili namin yung funnel cake. Tsaka syempre ang walang kamatayan na lemonade. Kahit pare-parehas naman ng lasa, nachos, ayan. Pero siguro magko-corn dog kami. Ewan ko, depende sa mood mamaya. We'll see. Let's go. Bili na tayo. Tapos mamaya, ililipat ko kayo doon sa may ride sa Perti. So dapat magko-corn dog ako eh. Kaya lang. Na-corn dog. Medyo namis kasi namin yung steak. So, ayun. Yung shawarma steak at saka lemonade. All-time favorite. Tapos mamaya, funnel cake.
Sorry. Chicken!
Bibili din tayo ng mga pagkain. Tapos mamaya, uupo lang tayo doon. Doon tayo magkakain sa concert. So, ganun lang ang buhay dito pag mga fest. Walang table. Ganito lahat dito, styrofoam. See you. Kumakain lang kasi kami ngayon. Nagkaproba na kinain. And then, pupunta kami dun sa may perya. Mamaya, papakita ko. So ngayon, medyo naglalaro-laro lang kami. Ang dami dito mga larong available. Yung cornhole, yung big size chess, etong golf. So, dito kasi may kids area. USA.
This you can bear, yeah. You stood right beside me, yeah. Go. I hope it's gonna make you nowhere. Hey, hey, hey. Someone like you. Oh, oh, oh.
Well, nagpabuhat na. So siguro, dito ko na lang tatapusin yung vlog ko. I wanted to say thank you to you all who hang around with me. And to those who are always watching my vlog, I would like to make a shout out to you, ST. You know who you are. I promise that I'll be doing shout out on my next vlog. And this vlog it is. And yeah, that will be all. Hindi naman kami sasakay. Magpeperya lang kami. And thank you. This has been your Obsuna.